You are welcome everyone to another video tutorial. Today we want to look at navigation, how to navigate from one page to another. So let's get started. So I'm going to use the UseNavigate. UseNavigate is from the React Router DOM. So let's see how that works. So I'll go to the services.js. Let me put a button here that will take me to another page. So I'll come here, put the div, come here, put button. So I want to navigate to about us. Go to, or let me say about us. About us. Okay, so I'll give this a class, a bootstrap class of btn primary. Okay. So to use the navigation, to use navigate, you type this use const navigate equal to use navigate. So you have to import it from the React Router DOM. You can see that imported from the React Router DOM. So that will enable you to navigate from one page to another. So like you see, I want to navigate to the about page. So I'll use an event called onClick. You know that already. So here I will come here and put an inline functionality. Then I can easily come here and put navigate, this variable called navigate. So where are you navigating to? I want to navigate to the about us, it's about page, and the part is what? About. So I'll copy this part, which is about. I'll go to my services and paste it there, about. So that's the part I want to navigate to. So let's save this and let's see if it works. So I go to my browser, I click on services page. You can see in the services page we have about us button. So let me click on the about us. Oh, that didn't show us the about us services. Oh, sorry about that. That's the wrong part. Remember that we have the parent called share layout, and it's referencing the what do you call it? The home page. If you notice, when we clicked on about, it's put the services after the about, which is not supposed to be. So what will you do in this case? So I will go back to my services page. So instead of me doing it this way, I will just come here and put a /about, navigate to about. Then I can easily come here and refresh. Let me just come here and put. So I come here and click. So you can see that it went to about us. So that's what you should have done. So you should just put so you have to put the / before the part's name. So in the about us, so when I get to the about us, I want to be able to navigate to the home page. So in the about us, in the about.js, I will create another, exactly what I did in the other side. So let me just type it down. Then put a button. Then I'll say go to home page. Go to home page. Go to home page. So I'll give this a bootstrap class. A bootstrap class of button. So I'll give the bootstrap class of btn danger. So I'll declare my navigation, that is use navigate. So this will be const navigate, exactly what we did earlier, equal to use navigate. So I didn't import that. I have to import it. Use navigate. So let me import it. I want my VS Code to help me out with that. Use navigate. Okay, I think that's it. Use navigate. That's imported from the React Router DOM. So I'll set my event, which is an onClick event, and this taking an inline functionality. So I'll take the navigate variable. I'll say navigate to which page? To the home page. So I'll put this home page. So I'll save this. So this is the about page. Go to home. So I'll click on go to home page button. You can see I'm redirected to the home page. So I click on services. I click on this button called about. I'll be directed to the about page. When I click on go to home button, I'll be directed to where? The home page. You can see the way we're able to navigate from one page to another page. Now if you look at the app.js, you know that we add a params here. You can also navigate through these params too. So if you go to your product.js, this one here, you can also navigate. You get that now? So you can create a button to navigate to another page. by passing the params to it. These are params. You can do that. So let's just try that and see if we can navigate to another page. So also button, see products, see details. Let me just say see details. So I'll come here and say my on click, and this I have to put my navigation, const navigate equal to use navigate. Sorry, I have to import from React Router DOM. So use navigate. Okay, so it has been imported already. Use navigate, you can see that. So the next thing I want to do exactly what I did earlier, but this one with a little bit of stuff. So yeah, I'll do this. Then because I'm working with the dynamic settings here, I have to use a backtick. That's the template literal. I'll do this. Then I'll come here, I'll put my / what's the name of this thing, the app.js, the route products. So the route is products. So I'll go back to products / ID. Okay, products. Remember that the ID is taken dynamically. So I'll put a / here and I'll put this. Then I'll pass the ID. The ID is what we destructured. This ID from the params is what I destructured. So I'll save this. So let's go and see if that works. So I'll look for the product is not here. Let me go to products / 3. Okay, this is my product / 3. See details. When I click on see details, let's see the URL is going to take us to. Okay, we are still in the same URL. So that means is product. I mean, it's working. We are still on the same URL. So I'm not supposed to put it here. I'm supposed to put it in another URL. So that is how you navigate. Thanks very much. I'll see you in the next class.